Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
When is your contract coming to an end?
My contract is ending at the end of March 2026.
Is there any discussion about renewing a contract, or everybody just went that quiet about it?
No, there's no discussion. The discussion, according to the rules, can only start 4 months before. So we're not there yet.
We're not yet there.
No, we're not there yet.
Okay.
Ngoba eshiloko ukuthi contract yakhe iyaphela ekupheleni kaMarch, and any discussions regarding indaba ye contract yakhe ukuthi izovuselelwa noma ngeke izivuselelwe kufuneka aqale 4 months before, okusho ukuthi kusuka ngoDisemba, January, February, March befuna aqalele ukukhulunywa. Namhlanje ke uPremier waKwaZulu Natal ukubaba uThami Ntuli mayikhuluma nabezindaba uthe yena he has endorsed or uncomile ukuthi uMkhwanazi I renew i-contract yakhe for the next 5 years. Ngakho ke ukhulumile National Committee, sizoyicaphuna ivideo yakhe lapha asho khona kanjalo. Kodwa lento ingikhumbuze ngomhla ka6 kuJuly 2025 emini uGeneral Mkhwanazi waba nemedia briefing ntambama ngawo umhla ka6 ufikile Mbalula mayikhuluma nabezindaba wakhuluma kanje.
See as the African National Congress.
Why do you say it's lawlessness?
It borders on lawlessness and the Banana Republic, that a high-ranking police commissioner can basically go to television and make a disparaging and grave accusations and allegations in the way we have learned about them. And it borders on lawlessness and Banana Republic, because at the end of the day, we've got to do something about those things. And also the protocol and the discipline of the police command and control is very important. I was a minister of police. I worked very well with the police, and I know protocols of the police, but I'm not about to talk about my own personal experience. Let's deal with the principle. The principle is that the head of state and our president will deal with this matter. That is what, as the ANC, would like to see.
Ukumuzwa kwami uSecretary General we-ANC la ufikile Mbalula ngimuzwa ethi lento enzo uGeneral Mkhwanazi i-wrong ngoba kuna protocol efuneka ilandelwe emaphoyiseni. Akwazi ukuthi uGeneral wamaphoyisa angavele ayo address imedia akhulume ngalezi zinto akhulume ngazo. So ngokwe-ANC uGeneral Mkhwanazi bebengamjezisa ngesenzo sakhe sokuthi enze le media briefing ngomhla ka6, kodwa ngenxa yokuthi udaba lakhona selisemphakathini manje selaziwa yiwo wonke umuntu akusekho lula. Kodwa mawuzofikile Mbalula indlela akhuluma ngayo futhi ukhuluma kahle ngoba wakwaba uminister wamaphoyisa uthi uyayazi protocol. Le protocol le abayisebenzisayo uma befihle ezinye izinto ukube nje kuya ngabo kwakufuneka kube nendlela ukuthi bamjezise uGeneral Mkhwanazi ngokuthi abe naleya media briefing ngomhla ka6 kuJuly. Angemsukeli, angemqambela amanga futhi uMbax uzizwele uzisholo yena. Mhlawumbe mangathiwa ke kunenkinga ngabe kuthiwa no mhlawumbe ngoba isilungu angisazi, kodwa ngimzwe kahle mina. Uma ngabe ngingamzwanga kahle so ngangicorrecta ukungitshela ukuthi ubethini ngoba ngenze ukuthi ngishawe isilungu, kodwa ngimzwe kahle esho ukuthi awukwazi ukuthi uGeneral a high ranking police official lingavelele kwi-media briefing lokukhuluma ngalama allegations elikhulume ngawo. So ngokwe-ANC bebezomdisciplina uGeneral ngokuthatha leli xatha lithatha lokuthi akhulume nomphakathi. Ngiye ngabheka ke according to i-constitution ukuthi ubani onelungelo lokurenewa i-contract ka-provincial commissioner. Information engiyithole ngokwe-Google ithi the authority for the renewal of contract of a provincial commissioner of the South African Police Services is primarily set out in national legislation, specifically the South African Police Service Act, yango 1995, which operates within the framework of the Constitution. While the Constitution of South Africa establishes the police service and the office of the National Commissioner, it is the act that details the specific procedure for provincial commissioner. Key authority for contract renewal. Based on the national legislation, the National Commissioner of the SAPS is a person who has the power to extend the term of a provincial commissioner's office as it expires. The extension is subject to consultation with the member of the Executive Council. Is responsible for policing in the relevant province. Constitutional context. The Constitution of the Republic of South Africa of 1996 in section 2073 state that the National Commissioner, with the concurrence of the Premier of the province concerned, must appoint the Provincial Commissioner for that province. While the Constitution mandates the Premier's concurrence for the appointment, the National Police Act delegates the power for renewal to the National Commissioner, requiring consultation with the provincial MEC for safety and security, or the equivalent title. Therefore, in terms of the constitutional framework and its enabling national legislation, lana bayihlukanisile ukuthi isinyathelo sithathwa ubani action, ubani onemvume authority ne-constitution ukuthi under muphi umthetho. Lana ke bathi initial appointment, the National Commissioner with the concurrence of the Premier. Basebenzisa section 2073 of the Constitution yase South Africa. Then a contract renewal, the National Commissioner, after consultation with the MEC for safety in the province, basebenzisa section 7(2) of the South African Police Act. Ngoba kusho ukuthi eziya amendwa ngo-1995.
The compliments of the new year. In fact, we had a meeting with the National Commissioner on the 31st, and wherein he was soliciting the concurrence on the Lieutenant General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi as the Provincial Air Commissioner. And I said before even that meeting that I would have no reason not to support the renewal of the contract of the Provincial Commissioner. For the work that you see in the province, the stability and the way police are working as a team to fight crime in the province. When you look at the stats, crime stats, which are showing decline, which is an indication that much good work is being done. Even general members of the public, I think they are on my side that he is doing quite very well with his team, and we require a kind of a police of integrity to really assist us in fighting crime in this province, because when we're able to fight crime and the stability in the province, even the investors, they're able to come in the province, new job opportunities are being realized. As you know that during the investment conference last year, we secured more than 100 billion of investment, and the Stats SA in fact unveiled that we achieved during the second and third quarter 54,000 new job opportunities. We are believing that if all sectors are working quite well, we will see some improvement in what are the aspirations of the people of the province of KwaZulu-Natal.
Shuthi lilonke nje i-contract kaGeneral Mkhwanazi izovuselelwa. Yebo akakasayini yena ngoba le akuya ayikakapheli. Kodwa according to i-section kufuneka uPremier noma uMEC axhumane no-National Commissioner. Bese uNational Commissioner ethatha isinqumo. Khumbula bathu uNational Commissioner akasebenzi kwi-province, usebenza national, uyareportera. So uma laba be-province bethi cha thina siyamdinga lo muntu njenge-province, sibona lokhu nalokhu nalokhu okukhombisa ukuthi i-province kusebenza kahle kuyo, kwenza ukuthi nje amathuba okuthi i-contract ivuselelwe abe maningi kakhulu ngoba u-National Commissioner udepende kwi-briefing. So lilonke nje zindaba ezinhle lezi kubantu base-KZN ngoba i-contract ka-General Mkhwanazi izovuselela nakubantu base-South Africa. Phandle ke mangathiwa upresident unezinye izinhlelo of which ngine-doubt. Mhlawumbe upresident mayengathi ayi ningamqoki mhlawumbe ngiyamfuna mina ezoba u-National Commissioner angakwenza lokho, kodwa ngine-doubt ukuthi upresident wethu Cyril Ramaphosa angakwenza lokho. Angikholwa. Njengoba uzwile nje uMbalula indlela akhulume ngayo ethi iposition ye-ANC ukuthi bona njenge-ANC abayizi ngoba kune protocol efuneka ilandelwe. Kodwa kube yalandelwa kube le protocol leyo ngempela iyalandelwa ngabe lobugebengu obungaka obukhulunywayo ku-ad hoc committee obuvelayo nakwiMadlanga Commission ngaba sinalwazi lakho. Ukube nje uGeneral Mkhwanazi akabanga nesibindi sokuphuma ame athi nansi into eyenzakalayo. So kuzindaba ezinhle kakhulu kubantu base-South Africa, not only abantu bakwaZulu Natal ngoba siyazi ukuthi yena ubhezi kwaZulu Natal, kodwa ithemba emaphoyiseni nokwazi ukuthi kunamaphoyisa asebenza ngokuzimisela nazinikele abasazi izizathu esenza ukuthi bangene emaphoyiseni kuyajabulisa kakhulu. Kodwa ke indaba ezinje zithi zizinhle zinje kodwa zibe zingezinhle kwabanye ngoba ngiyaqonda ukuthi bakhona abantu abangasijabulelanga lesinqumo lesi nje sokuthi kuthiwa uGeneral Mkhwanazi contract yakhe kukhulunywa ukuthi ayivuselelwe. Kukhona engaziyo mina ukuthi abasijabulelanga lesinqumo ngoba baneyinhloso zabo manje endleleni yabo. Nansi inkinga eyenza ukuthi ngisho njalo. Kanti kune video engiyibonile ku TikTok interesting kakhulu le video, angizukuba nasikhathi sokukhuluma kodwa ngicela ubone la.
Look at the facts before us. The PKTT, at a cost of 100 million rand a year, investigates 56 murders. I think the squad's about 38 strong. 38 policemen of various ranks. These aren't sergeants here. We're talking warrant officers, lieutenant colonels. It's costing a lot of money. It's costing us 40 million rand a year in overtime. That's besides the 100 million. That's what the request is, overtime. For 56 murders. I say brilliant. Cool.
For 1920 and overtime payments 26 million, and so it goes up to 28 February 2025. Overtime spent was 13 million, with goods and services at 41 million in total. Since inception, Chair, the task team has spent 415.9 million, which is expenses that are against goods and services as well as overtime payments of the members who are serving in this particular task team. This is a summary of a period of 7 up to this financial year, and these expenses are recorded. We are monitoring, and these were approved accordingly. Thank you, Chair.
Thank you, General.
At the ad hoc committee, General Jimpane, the CFO of SAPS, she presented this summary to show the expenditure of PKTT versus other task teams.
Since the inception, looking at the cases, Chair, the team is currently allocated, and it accounts for 333 dockets that are politically related, in line with the approved criteria of allocating such dockets. And these, they include 134 case dockets that were reported and opened since 2011 to June 2018. That was before the commencement of this tactic.
So we have to fix Fidel Adams' propaganda, where he says PKTT only worked on 56 cases. Right here on the presentation, the same presentation that he says he attended, he was told there, the presentation is there, it's online, the transcripts are there. They have started with 333 dockets.
Cabanga ukuthi noFadel Adams ungomunye wabantu abangeke baze basijabulele lesinqumo sokuthi uPremier wakwaZulu Natal is endorsing uGeneral Mkhwanazi. Obvious, uGeneral Masemula une-relationship right noGeneral Mkhwanazi. And according to the constitution, kufanele athole briefing from from uPremier or uMEC we-province bese yena ethatha isinqumo based on lokho akuzwile. Yazi into enhle nengiyithandayo ngabantu be-social media, hayi labantu benza i-journalism ukudlula laba abahamba bayifundela esikoleni. uFadel Adams wenze le interview yaphuma ngomhla ka6 ngomhla ka7 izolo noma day before, kodwa namhlanje sebecompilile balanda yonke information bathi yayibona lento ayishoyo ayikho, lena nje ayishoyo ayikho, bakulethela ubufakazi. I-social media siyithandela lokho, yingakho namanje sisakhala ukuthi aba-release i-footage yokubulawa ka-DJ Warras, babonakala abantu ukuthi bangobani. So buye sikhulume leyo kwenye ivideo uma kuthiwa sixoxa ngalelo daba olucishe libe njalo. Ngoba nje bengenza umzekelo, ngicela ukuze uphawula kwakho la comment section ngizwe ukuthi wena ubona kanjani. Ngale kwalokho mina nawe sidibane kwivideo elandelayo.